In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Fireflies AI to N8N. Whether you're automating your workflows or enhancing your productivity, integrating Fireflies AI with N8N can add a new level of efficiency to your daily tasks. Let's dive in and explore how you can seamlessly bring these two powerful tools together. To begin, open your N8N workflow editor. In this visual interface, you'll create and manage all your automation workflows with ease. Now, once you're in the editor, you'll notice a plus button. This button is crucial because it allows you to add new nodes to your workflow. Nodes are essentially individual tasks that you can connect to form a comprehensive automation sequence. Click on the plus button, and you'll be prompted to search for various nodes available through N8N's extensive catalog. In the search bar, type Fireflies to locate the specific node we're going to work with. Fireflies AI, designed for transcription and meeting insights, offers an official node in N8N that facilitates seamless integration. Once you've found the official Fireflies AI node, go ahead and select it. This selection will add the node to your canvas, allowing you to configure and connect it as needed. N8N provides a user-friendly drag-and-drop interface where you can visually arrange and connect these nodes according to your workflow requirements. This helps in making the automation setup process more intuitive and less time-consuming. As you configure the Fireflies node, you may need to input certain credentials or configure specific options to suit your exact requirements. Depending on your needs, you can set up custom triggers or actions that initiate when certain conditions are met in your connected applications. Remember, the idea is to create a streamlined, end-to-end process that not only saves time, but also minimizes manual effort. While setting this up, ensure that you double-check all inputs and connections within the editor. It's easy to overlook small details that could prevent your workflow from functioning optimally. As you make these connections, consider what other tools or services you might want to integrate alongside Fireflies AI. N8N's flexibility allows you to connect with a multitude of applications, enhancing the potential of your workflows significantly. Once you've configured everything to your liking, take a moment to review the entire setup. This step ensures all connections are correct and aligns with your initial goals. With everything set, you can now enable the workflow. Congratulations, you've successfully integrated Fireflies AI with N8N. This integration can transform how you handle tasks involving transcription or note-taking, leveraging automation to boost your efficiency. So, why not explore more nodes and see which other applications can further enhance your workflow? With Fireflies AI and N8N on your side, the possibilities for optimizing your processes are almost limitless. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing how you innovate with your newly connected tools.